Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is so exciting. I am participating in Collaboween, which is a Halloween DIY collaboration. This challenge is hosted by Auntie Coo Coo, and I'm sure you know her, but if you don't, her channel will be linked down below. And she challenged us to create a Halloween DIY for $10 or less, which was definitely a task for me. I don't really decorate for Halloween, but I am doing a very simple bat theme in my entryway since I will be having trick-or-treaters this year. So I wanted to create something to go along with that theme, and I made this glowing bat picture frame. The inspiration for this DIY came from a Chic on the Cheap DIY from earlier this fall, so I will link that below. You're going to need 2 picture frames from Dollar Tree in the same size, black and white poster board, which can be found in the office section at Dollar Tree, these Dollar Tree fairy lights, some hot glue, and some scissors. So to start off, you're going to remove the back of your picture frame, and you're going to want to keep that cardboard to trace onto both the white and the black cardboard. And then go ahead and cut out what you traced. Now using some hot glue down the white poster board to the back of the picture frame. This is simply just to cover that kind of ugly cardboard look. Now it's time to create your bat, and you can see I made a rough draft, but it was too big. So I just freehanded my bat, but if you aren't comfortable freehanding, you can print one off from online and then trace it. So here's what my bat looks like. You can see all the chicken scratch, but thankfully this poster board is double-sided, so once you cut it out, you can just flip it over, and I'm going to go ahead and glue that down onto the white poster board in the position that I want it. Now I'm going to trace on some eyes so I have them where I want them, and then using a small screwdriver, I'm going to poke holes all the way through the cardboard so that we can stick the LED lights through so that the eyes will glow. Now remove the tabs from just one of the picture frames and then take the glass out and hot glue it back in so that it is secure. Now you're going to take your other picture frame, remove the glass and the backing. We're not going to use that, but leave the tabs. And we are just going to glue this picture frame down onto the back side of the one below it. And this is just going to give our picture frame a little more depth and a little bit more of that shadow box vibe. All right, and here is where the magic happens. We're going to use these Dollar Tree fairy lights. They are back in stores and I did stock up. And you're just going to take the little lights. I'm using the first one on the strand and I'm poking it through the hole. I did have to make my hole a little bit bigger, but it was no big deal. And then once I have it in the position I want it, I'm going to tape it down, and I will repeat that same process with the next light for the second eye. So now you're going to just put the bat back into the picture frame so that the bat is facing the front, and you're going to want to secure that back in there by pushing those tabs down, and then coil up that wire and tape it just so it's neat and tidy back there. And then I happen to have a kickstand from the back of a picture frame that I used in a DIY left over, so I'm gonna tape that down just so that this stands up, but it really doesn't need it. It almost kind of stands up on its own, and you can use an easel as well or prop it up against a wall. And this is how it turned out. I think it's so cute. It kind of completes that bat theme that I have in my foyer, which was inspired by Chip's ears. And I did another bat DIY, this wreath here on my door, so if you're interested in seeing a video on that, I can make that. Just let me know. I want to say a humongous thank you to Auntie Coo Coo for having me as part of this collaboration. It was so fun, and I will make sure to have her video linked down below, as well as a playlist with all of the other fabulous content creators who participated. And if you enjoyed this DIY, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I will see you back in a future video. Bye guys.